welcome to my friendship bracelet tutorial. Today I will make a simple, elegant friendship bracelet for this winter in simple two colors, in a nice bronze and red. Here I start by cutting 4 strands in about 70 centimeters long, and I make a knot at the end leaving about 10 centimeters. Here we can braid this later. I pair them together, so 2 of the bronze and 2 of the red, and I tape it so I can start making the knots. I take the first yarn and wrap it around the second yarn, making a loop and threading it through, then pulling it towards the right to create a knot. You need to make 2 knots on each yarn, and when you're done with the 2, then you'll move to the next yarn next to it and repeat this process. So then I'm taking the red here, looping it through, and then making a knot. You need to make it tight, but don't pull it too hard to distort it. And then just keep going until you reach the end of the line. This creates one single line of color. Then I'll repeat exactly the same process with the next yarn. In this case it's the bronze again, so we have 2 lines of the same color repeating. And then just repeat the process of going under and through, and then just pulling it towards the right. You can see this loop going towards the right, and then moving to the next yarn. Keep repeating this same process until the bracelet is long enough to wrap around my wrist, and you need to measure your wrist or know around who you're gifting it to make it smaller or bigger. When you finish, then you need to make a braid at the end. I cut it so I have around 10 centimeters to make the braid. Here, because we have 4 strands, you need to essentially pair 2 with 1 and 1 in order to make this braid. Then when your braid is finished and you have a little bit of yarn left, like here, I stop and I create another knot to secure it. Make sure you pull it tight, and then just trim it to just leave around half a centimeter at the edge, and you're done. Your bracelet is finished. Here I've made in 2 different colorways to wear them this winter.